The Good Quiet. The old wooden pier sighed under the weight of the morning fog, just as it had every summer for the past 20 years. Silas stepped onto the first plank, his boots crunching on loose splinters. He carried a worn canvas bag filled with tools. It was Alistair's favorite place. They had spent countless hours here, fishing, talking, sometimes just sitting in comfortable silence. Now the pier was sagging, the wood soft and rotten in places. It needed care. Silas pulled out new planks and a can of dark stain. Today was not about fishing, it was about keeping a promise he never verbally made. A promise only shared in the space between two best friends. He remembered a sunny afternoon, their hands sticky with fish guts. "If anything ever happens," Alistair had said, not looking at him, "don't forget the pier, Si. It holds all the good quiet." Silas sanded the railing where they had carved their initials. The small, uneven S+A appeared, sharp and clear beneath the grime. He worked slowly, deliberately, letting the memory fill the quiet. Hours passed. He replaced the weakest supports, hammered down every loose nail, and then, finally, began applying the stain. The rich, dark color soaked into the dry wood, giving it life again. As the sun began to dip, painting the clouds orange and purple, a sudden gust of wind swept across the lake. It didn't feel cold or sad, but almost like a breath. A release. Silas sat on the newly repaired edge, resting his feet over the water. He didn't speak. He didn't need to. Alistair's presence was as clear as the freshly sanded initials on the railing beside him. He took a small, smooth river stone from his pocket, a stone they had found 20 years ago. With a gentle motion, he tossed it into the lake, where they used to cast their lines. The ripple spread until it reached the shore, a silent, perfect goodbye. Silas stood, picked up his empty canvas bag, and turned his back on the pier. The good quiet was safe again.